Welcome to Sunshine English.
Hey honey. I am feeling bored at home. What should we do?
Let's go to London.
Awesome. That would be great.
Welcome to Royal Hotel.
Thanks. We would like to check in, please.
Sure. What kind of room do you want?
We want a double bedroom, please.
Can I have your name, please?
My name is Simon.
And your mobile number, please?
It's 3579249.
Got it. May I see your identification card, please?
Here you are.
How many days are you going to stay here?
We are going to stay here for 3 days. What is the rent per day?
$300 per day with breakfast included and free Wi-Fi.
Okay.
How will you make the payment, sir?
Do you accept Visa cards?
Yes. We accept Visa cards, debit cards and cash.
I will pay with my Visa card.
Here you go. Here is your card, sir. Here is your room key. Your room number is 204 on the 5th floor.
Thanks.
Your checkout time is at 8 a.m. in the morning on 4th of July.
We got it.
If you need any help, you can call us. Just dial 500.
We got it.
Wow. The room is really phenomenal.
You are right. I liked it. What are you doing, honey?
I have some dirty laundry. I am calling the staff. Hello. Is this room service?
Yes, madam. How can I help you today?
I have some dirty clothes. Do you have laundry service?
Yes, madam. We do. You just need to put the laundry in the basket. It's under your bed. Our staff will come and pick it up from you.
Got it.
What's your room number?
204.
Hey, honey. I am starving. Can you please order something to eat?
Yeah, sure. I am also starving.
Hello. This is room service from Royal Hotel. How may I help you today?
Hello. I am Emma. I am calling from room number 204. I would like to order food. Is there a restaurant in this hotel?
Yes, madam. We have a great restaurant on the 5th floor. We provide great meals 24 hours.
Great. I would like to order 2 large pizzas and a red Coke, please.
2 large pizzas and a red Coke. Got it, madam. Is there anything else do you want?
No thanks. That will be all.
Okay, madam. It will take 5 minutes. Thanks for calling.
Hello.
Hello, sir. How can I help you?
Do you have tourism plans?
Yes, sir. We have different kinds of plans. Our bus comes twice a day. First it comes in the morning at 8 a.m. and then it comes in the evening at 6 p.m.
Can we see the historical places? If we take evening plan?
Yes, sir. In this package you can see the historical places. It takes 3 hours. You can have dinner and purchase gifts during your journey.
I love this package. What's the price of this package?
It's $75 for one person.
I would like to reserve 2 seats. Is it possible now?
Yes, sir. The bus will be here in 15 minutes. I will book your seats right away.
Thanks.
I really love this trip, honey.
Look, that building is so beautiful.
It's lovely.
Hello, sir. Are you ready to order?
Yes. I would like to have a portion of spaghetti and a salad, please.
And I will have a chicken soup, please.
I will be right back with your order.
Hello.
Hello, sir. How can I help you?
We would like to check out, please.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Simon.
I can see. You booked a double bedroom.
Yes.
You have to pay many bills, sir.
How much, please?
It's $140, sir.
I will pay with my Visa card.
Thanks. Did you enjoy in our hotel?
Yes. We enjoyed a lot. The room service is great. All staff are very friendly.
Thank you, sir. You are always welcome.
Can you book a cab for us? We want to go to the airport.
Our hotel cab will drop you off to the airport. It's free.
Sounds good. Have a great day.
You too, sir.
If you love this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and watch this next video. I know you are gonna love it.